Hey, it's John here at Adventure RV, and guess what? We are going to start right here because this is probably why you're watching this video. So I just want you to know that these are synthetic patio doors and they will not shatter. So that comes right from the factory. They have not had one issue with these things yet, and I'll tell you, what a great view you get. So come check it out for yourself. You got stabilizing jacks right there. You got some more right there. And let me tell you, these are 7,000 pound axles. They don't need a triple axle on this because they're such heavy duty axles. You can look this up. They're called Terran heavy duty axles. They have a 1 to 8 year warranty. What does that mean? So there's 1 year on the seals, 5 years on the springs, 8 years on the axle itself. And they also have an anti-corrosion coating on them. These kind of, I can't really get a good view inside there, but these axles are actually used on dump trailers. That's how heavy duty they are. So that's one big deal. And then this has a heated and enclosed underbelly, and it's sealed, and there's 5x8 panels underneath there. So you have easy access if you ever need to work on anything. It's ducted and forced air heat below, so you're just protected all the way around. Look at those two huge awnings. I mean, how do you beat that? Outside kitchen right here. Pop this open for you. So you have an ice maker, a fridge, and a pull-out little stove. Wow. Spot right there for your propane. And then we're gonna go under here, and you got storage all the way through there from 3 different sides. Swing around to the front. You can see right down there you got your generator and the storage area, and then your batteries down there. Take a peek at this generator quick. Nice big 6,000 inverted generator, and that is hiding behind the tag. It's a Yamaha, so you know the quality's there. So let's go around this side. So your propane tanks are going to be in here. And then you have a tankless water heater, which is really nice. The 6-gallon DSI water heaters are kind of a thing of the past. A lot of brands are going to these on-demand hot water heaters. Black tank flush, of course. Spray port right there for fresh water. Big windows. It's really a nice camper. Let's go look on the inside. As we're heading in, we're going to go up the solid steps and check out this railing. It goes all the way to the bottom, all the way up. Got speaker out here. So, as you come in, nice modern looking recliners. Loft up top. Behind here, I'm going to open it up for you. That's some hidden storage. More storage drawers down there. Nice big high-rise faucet that comes out and move it around. Glass washer. You put your glass on there and clean it. You like my sound effects? Got to do that. Shows you your voltage. All your switches are right here. Microwave. It's down low, so it's easy to get to. And it's a convection microwave, and it is an air fryer, so all in one. Look that up, because man, that's cool. I'm gonna get one for my house, I'm telling you. And then all that storage, max air fans, nice big 12-volt fridge. Now these 12-volt fridges, yes, they only run off the battery, but you got a generator, you got solar on the roof. I mean, you're gonna have your battery charged no matter what. When you're hooked to your truck, it's charging. So there you go. Nice big fridge. Versus a gas electric, it's half the price, and it cools faster, and it's bigger. So boom, 3 things. Win, win, win. Fireplace right there. Big TV comes with it. I'm going to open the back here, and you can see all that storage you got back here. They even give you some coat hooks, so you can hide your coats behind the door if it's chilly out. Remember, because it is enclosed underbelly, so you're good for some colder weather. Little loft area up there. We're gonna walk into the back. Oh, already got the ladder set up. So it's gated, so when this is not used as a ramp, you can use it as a patio. Again, look at that view. I mean, out there stinks, but you got a lot, you could see a lot. So imagine if there's a lake, a beachfront, whatever, or you can buy that wolf pack next door. I'm gonna go over all these. These glow blue, all this, when you have the lights on. There's that loft, pretty sweet, it's big up there. And then those two chairs go to this table right here that flips up. You see it in the pictures. Then you have another little fireplace there and another little fridge there. There's a backup camera outside and prepped for one in here too. Tire monitor setup that you can purchase along with the cameras. And then this is a little sink. So this folds up out of the way when you're not using it. This guy tucks in. I'm trying to do this while looking at my camera. So that tucks in, that closes, boom. We're gonna leave it out so people can see it's a little sink. Now we're gonna head the other way. Look at that. It's a recliner, plus it has heat, a little light that glows in there. I believe it's massage, which is more like a vibration. Nice big windows in here also. More coat hangers. Let's go up into the bedroom. Look, you could even hide your flip-flops underneath there. Heat ducted into the walls. AC is ducted in the ceiling. Let's check out the bathroom. Sink. Medicine cabinet. Another Max Air fan. It's got a shower with a shower surround. Foot flush toilet. And it is a porcelain toilet. Skylight. And I'm going to back out and show you the bedroom now. So, another AC in here. Storage above. Chargers next to the nightstand. Another drawer down there with more chargers. Hanging storage in here. Another huge window. I mean, there's so much nice big window space. No other. I'm going to open this. I would challenge you to find one that has bigger windows in the bedroom. This is awesome. And more storage there. What a cool camper. Is it really camping? I mean, you're taking your sports stuff with you. Look, you got under the bed, you got storage there. They're like seats with storage, because this thing goes way up. Look at this. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. So you can sit here and put your clothes on, put your shoes on. I'm going to back up so you can see how that looks. Look at that. You're kidding me, right? This is cool. This isn't even my first time in here, but I love showing it. And I love these chairs. In fact, I'm going to have a seat. So, come on out. Scoop one up for yourself. You won't be sorry. These are nice. Built solid, I'm telling you.